Right, so today we're going camping. We're going on a hike with another family with 3 kids. The youngest being 4 years old, and so we're going to be 5 kids going on a hike in a place called Lac de Montsalvens, which is close to Bulle. And the hike is estimated to be around 9 kilometers. So it's going to be interesting to see how long it's going to take. But come with me. Let's enjoy the stay together. All right. So here we are in Jogne, which is close to Bulle, in the Canton Fribourg. So for you francophones there, a little joke, I say this in French. Quelle est la ville le plus légère? Bulle. So we're just at the tourism office. It's actually closed. Just trying to get some information on the walk. See how it goes. It's a bit overcast. Oh wow, look at all those trees that have come down. So I reckon they will get to the lake in maybe about 10 minutes walking. We'll see how we do. Alright. Pretty cool. Oh, I'm stepping in the puddle. Here it starts to climb up in the gorge, gets higher and higher, further up from the river, more tunnels. We just came through this one here. It's a wonderful walk here through the gorge, highly recommend it. Right, just trying to catch my breath here. We just climbed up about 1 million of these steps. The sweat is pouring from me. So to walk this track you've got to be in reasonably good shape. But when we get to the top, this is what you greet with, brother. Look at that. Not sure if you can see that properly. It's too bright. It's beautiful up here. That's bloody high up. We've even seen signs of people, if you feel desperate, to call this number, because apparently there's been quite a few suicides here. With that height, I can imagine a few people have tried, so oof. That's a sign there. There's a fair bit of walking uphill like that. And then come all the way down. It just continues. Right, so we've had lunch by the dam up there. We found a picnic spot, bench, nice lunch with a view of the lake. We're on our way back now. I think we're a little bit optimistic to actually do the full 9 kilometers around the whole lake. It didn't look to be 9 k's, but That's what they say. So before our kids get too tired, we're actually heading back, because we're still got another 2 k's to head back to the car. We can already sense that the kids are getting a little bit tired though. I better catch up.
The scar remains, for we are better apart from all the pain, distant like the stars above. There's no love I cannot see.
Right, well, this is quite a pleasant surprise. We're actually close to Gruyère, so we decided to pop up here, take a look around the castle, have the famous coffee with the double cream from Gruyère. This is what we come to see. This is Gruyère. Quaint little village at the top of the hill.
I admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone erased. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart from all the pain, distant like the stars above. There's no love I cannot see.
Hey guys, so let me just fix that a bit. Hang on. There we go. Okay, so we're back home now. Okay, we had to kind of cut it short because it started to rain in Gruyère. That's why you sort of just saw me filming around a bit. And the next scene was actually in the car on the way back home. So I had to protect the camera as well. Unfortunately, it's not waterproof. So just to sort of sum the day up, I know that we did say that we were going for a walk around Lac de Montsalvens, but in fact what it turned out more to be was actually a walk through the gorge, let me try and say this properly, the Gorge de la Jogne, which is on the way up to Lac de Montsalvens. I highly recommend it. It was a little bit steep at the parts, just towards the end, just before you came up to the dam. Well worth it though. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I mean, here we took 5 kids with us, young kids. They all seem to manage fine. I recommend the walk. You saw pictures of the waterfalls and all that. Yeah, highly recommend it. I also put up the name of the actual gorge that we went through as well, because it's spelled Jogne. So I'll put that in the description as well. Also, don't forget, if you like this video, hit that like button. Please leave a comment, and if you'd like to see anything else on this channel, leave your comments down below. So until next time, ciao.